Hello again to everyone who doesn't use AdBlock. Have you been trying to get more clients through social media and still have nothing to show for it? Do people take one look at your profile and run in the opposite direction? Maybe you've tried posting content again and again and again with no results. You sent those connection requests out, you've written articles, and you've sent messages asking for a quick chat, and you're still getting nowhere. It sounds like you need our social selling accelerator. The accelerator covers everything you need to sell consistently on social media. Upgrade your old profiles because they suck. Create viral-worthy content, you'll be famous. And generate more leads when you know what to do with. Don't worry, we'll show you. The accelerator ensures you win more business online. That's the point. When you join our accelerator, you'll have immediate access to our entire training library, as well as weekly 2-hour group sessions, content strategy sessions, lead generation guidance, weekly Q&A sessions, 2 hours of one-to-one coaching with the big boss himself, Dean Seddon, and a lifetime membership to the accelerator. That's it. You're a Maverick. You're one of us now. Here's to your next 100 clients. One of our members landed a $1 million contract in just 3 weeks. It would take some people longer to redecorate an entire bedroom and earn $1 million with our program. Now, if that sounds like something you're looking for, you need to join the Social Selling Accelerator. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next advert.